Hey guys, Mark Lyon here, Lion Horses. I've got a new addition to the team. So I got a new intern. This is JC, and she's going to be working with me for a little while. And yeah, she's just getting to know her, and I noticed that she likes to embrace the male side of her personality, and it's it's never more evident than it's almost Christmas, and she hasn't done any shopping yet. So we're gonna make up some presents. So I was talking to her about some projects and showing her some, and she's gonna try to make a steak turner. And so we've got some steel in the forge heating up, and we're gonna see if we can make a little steak turner for her dad for a little Christmas present. And we got a couple of little projects that she's gonna work on doing for some of her other relatives. So if you don't get a present from her, you know you've been on the naughty list. And so, or either she doesn't care about you, one of the two. But we're gonna see what we can do with that. And remember, it's kind of fun to be able to make some projects, especially during Christmas, and it saves you some money, because if you make them, they cost very much. Oh, I think it's ready. Nope.
Can I use this one?
Yeah.
Harry Potter. Abracadabra.
How come your wizard wand has a little curlicue at the end?
So I can grab people's meat with it.
So this is something that JC wanted to make. There's a bunch of little projects that I have if people want to make them, and JC didn't do her Christmas shopping very early, so her parents are actually coming to visit tomorrow, like by the skin. In fact, tonight they should be here pulling in sometime tonight, and so we whipped up a little stake turner, little railroad spike, and just drew it out, and a lot of hammering. I helped her with it a little bit because her guns, she's got pretty good guns, but they're not quite, it would have taken a little while. It would have been a couple of day project, and so it still took a few heats, and we took a break and got a little late one night, so we started the next morning, but yeah, came out pretty good. Little stake turner for her dad. I think her dad's gonna be impressed. So she learned a little bit about moving metal around, and the good thing is that she hasn't got too irritated with me yet, but sometimes interns, they get irritated, and so they got to take their frustration out. And so, if you're really, some people go to the gym, some people work out on a punching bag. Well, you don't get anything profitable done with a punching bag. So, this, you can actually make something that's a tool and get your frustration out at the same time. So, dual purpose. Anyway, good job. What do you think?
I think it's pretty cool.
You think your dad's gonna like it?
I think he's gonna be impressed. I don't know what he's gonna think. I think he's gonna think it's pretty cool. I think he's gonna like it.
And he can use it. Always get a man something. If you get a woman something she can use, like a vacuum cleaner, she'll be pissed, right? If you get a man something he can use, like a new set of barbecue tools, he will be really happy. You get a woman cooking implement like a new spatula, not a good deal. But man, it just shows you they're different, right?